Hey guys, real quick video. I just started getting back into black powder shooting, and so I'm making my own black powder because it's hard to come by at the store and it's expensive. I can make it for like, geez, fifth of the price. But anyways, the importance of using a ball mill when you're making your black powder. Basically, I'm going to show you how 3 of these burn. This black powder here is the initial mix of the ingredients, and that's just hand mixed. That's the hand mixed. This right here is the same stuff but been put through a ball mill for 1 hour, and this stuff here is been put through a ball mill and then corned. You could look up those how to do that. I'm not going to go through that right now. Right now I'm just going to do a burn test. But that's it. So we got the raw one here that's hand mixed. Same stuff that's been put through a ball mill for 1 hour, and the same stuff but corned. And we'll see how they burn. Okay, so first off, we're going to fire up the hand mixed powder. Burning kind of slow. Not only does it burn kind of slow, but it burns really dirty. I mean, there's like chunks of sulfur melt here. You don't want that in your cannon or your gun. All right, let's try this next burn's going to be the same powder, but I ran it through a ball mill for 1 hour. Let's see how this works. Okay, if you notice, that was a slightly faster burn and a lot cleaner than the hand mix. All right, now we're going to try the corned powder. Okay, here we go with the corned powder. So this has been milled and then corned. And as you can see, that was much faster than the last one. And it's got the burn. It's dark because it burned hotter, but the residue that's left behind is a lot less than this and way less than this. And we're going to do one last one, I guess. We're going to do factory purchased black powder. Okay, this next one's going to be factory purchased black powder, and I think the size is like FFF. The corned powder that I showed you earlier, that was more like a 2 or bigger, more for cannons and stuff. I think if I refined it down to triple F, I might get a much higher speed, but this is going to be the factory triple F. Let's check it out. And that's it. With smoke. And it burns relatively clean. It's about the same cleanliness as the corned powder that I showed you. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned as we get back into muzzle loading, etc.